On the 12th of February, there was a shooting on a platform in New York City. I think it's between gangs. They had a argument and they start shooting on a platform at Mount Eden subway station in Bronx, where one people were killed, five others were injured. As I said, it has happened today, the 12th of February. There was a shooting on a train platform in New York City. One people killed, five injured. As you can see, there six people were shot, one dead, five wounded. It's not a terrorist, it's just between crazy people. They had an argument among themselves and they start shooting at each other. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys what I knew like 1.5 year ago, less than 1.5 year ago. I hope it is clear there on your screen. I dreamed that on the 14th of December 2022, the title is Train Attack in DC, and I'll let you guys read the rest. I thought this will happen in Washington DC, but I knew it can happen to any other region in the vicinity, and it has happened in New York, and I also wrote it there. And I knew six people will die and injured, and it has happened the same thing, guys. Please watch it, share it. It's very important that you make my video viral. I knew pretty much everything that happened on this planet, anywhere, any corner on this planet. Thank you.